let's go to the cafe. I'm gonna pull the fire alarm, ha 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 ha. So let's go home and see the news. Okay, let's see what's on the news. After Boris saw the news. Oh, Caillou, you fucking little shit. How fucking dare you pull the fucking fire alarm at the fucking cafe? That's fucking it. You are so fucking grounded for 9 fucking decades. Go to your fucking room now. Wow.